Well, professional learning communities takes the assumption that it's better to work together than in isolation. The old school paradigm was this, that we all operated as teachers and as schools as little one-room schoolhouses. And we all had autonomy over curriculum, instruction, assessment. A professional learning community blends all of those and takes it from an individual focus to a collective focus. And there are sets of principles, a focus on learning instead of a focus on teaching, a focus on working collaboratively instead of focusing on working as an individual, and a focus on results as opposed to a focus on intentions. In the PLC, we really care about what students take away from the instruction, and good instruction is justified by student learning. My current book is called Transforming School Culture, and it's a piece that I'm very proud of. My hope is that it'll be a seminal work. I believe the book provides educators with breakthrough information about how adults in the professional school culture interact together. And in the book, I identify different types or different personalities that educators carry into the profession with us, and how some of those behaviors are productive and some of those behaviors are counterproductive. And the book really focuses on identifying those behaviors and then arming educators with the skills to transform the unhealthy behavior into the type of behavior that can really focus all of the school members in a very razor-sharp way on what's best for students.